I'm like, oh my god, Robert.
This is definitely
This shit kind of looks like Colorado, man. Like,
yeah,
dude.
Nice copycat, bro. Nice.
Why you call it? Dude, I said it first.
Dude!
Why you call
No, you
me?
didn't. No, you didn't, man. There's no
You gotta
evidence
get new
of that.
tires. The fact you spun out and nothing. Whoa, okay.
Okay. That's what you
Stupid,
get.
Dude, all these people wanted to switch lanes with each other, and they couldn't figure it out. That's crazy.
Can we stop at McDonald's, please? I love McDonald's, guys. Come on. I really want a Shamrock Shake, but they got rid of them.
Dude!
Damn, bro.
That.
I've seen some idiots. But these guys
That
are
was
idiots in
insane.
cars, man. Do I even need to say it, bro? Like,
Probably
What?
not.
That was pretty bad.
yeah, but like, you know, there's an obvious bad guy in that clip, and it's the guy honking.
Turn on your fucking lights!
Wait, that's true.
Yeah.
That's really
Get
bad.
his ass.
He still doesn't know either.
Those who grow.
How, dude? How the fuck do you not realize your lights aren't on?
Sometimes it just do
Selfish.
be like that.
Is this even a lane though? Because you're the only one going in it.
Oh! Oh, you could hear the scraping noise.
Subway.
Aw, nobody likes Subway, man. Come on, there's better options. It's okay, James. I'll show you, man.
What do you mean you don't like Subway? You make the food. You make it. How do you not like
I'm
it?
saying there's better options to Subway, man.
Yeah, like
That's
what?
true.
Jimmy John's is kind of
Firehouse
better.
subs.
Yeah, like just any deli, probably.
Any
I still
sandwich
fuck with
place
Subway, but,
besides
like-
Subway. Subway's like the Taco Bell of like sandwiches.
Okay, Taco Bell's fucking yummy. Don't even
No,
start.
but like, okay, you don't get Taco Bell to get Mexican food. You get Taco Bell to get fucking slop.
Yeah, and I like slop.
Yeah, and I'm saying Subway is slop. It's the slop of sandwiches.
I wouldn't put
Yes.
Subway at the same tier as Taco Bell, though.
I think they're the same.
I don't
tier.
know. I think they're all probably in like the same tier, bro.
They're bad.
Yeah, all right, man. Next time
Subway,
I see you, though, you're
Taco
getting
Bell,
touched.
Burger King, probably all in the same tier.
No.
Shut up, man. You got Burger King the other day, and you liked it. You said it
I
was the
did.
best burger you've ever had.
I didn't say it was the best burger I ever had. I said it was the
No,
best
you said
Whopper
that.
I've had
It was
in
a
Then why'd you
quote.
say it then?
Why'd you say it then?
Why are you changing your mind, dude? You
Just
said it was the best
completely-
one
You
you've
said
ever
it was
had.
the best burger you've ever had in your life. Period.
Yeah, okay, dude.
Dude, what the
Yeah,
fuck?
it's snowing. A likely story, dude.
Yeah, what's up with the caption? What the fuck?
Oh, this is definitely California, bro.
No,
I'm
it's
telling
not.
you. I
The
promise
parking
you.
lots-
I
the-
promise
No,
you.
the parking spots are too
Dry
big,
ass
dude.
desert state. It could be.
No, the parking spots are too big.
Okay,
China.
that's yours. You can actually just take that home. Like you
I went
might
to
as
a
well,
dude's
you know?
house one time who had a stop sign, like, in his fucking bedroom.
That's awesome. You can just take those. They're free.
That's true.
Or so I heard.
They are free.
Is he on his phone?
I think they are.
Probably. Oh, he took multiple.
They deserve it since they're on their phone. Hold up, I think
that's like
dude, I
7
think they were locked
tones.
in like a fucking zombie. I have to check again. Hold
Yeah,
up, they were
they're
like,
watching
I think
reels.
they were staring at their fucking phone.
Just one
Yeah,
more
dude,
spin
they
on
were
Rainback. Just
fucking
one more
locked into
spin.
their phone. That's crazy, dude. Dude, I swear to God, like the biggest reason crashes happen is just because people text and drive now. There's no reason you should be like fucking rear-ending somebody or something.
Nah, literally, bro.
How are you gonna get your dopamine though, man?
Dude, do drugs like a normal fucking person, coward.
No.
That tree just fell apart like it was made of IKEA, bro.
Okay.
Dude, that's
Oh,
fucked up.
Is this a GameStop?
No, it's like a Game Co. I think it's Canadian.
Fuck.
No,
And
dude.
another guy on his phone, bro.
And then he gets mad like it's not his fucking fault.
It's all like, just get off your phone.
Idiot.
I love nature, dude. I love nature.
Nature's healing, man.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Walmart here would go crazy. Or sorry, a Tesco here would go crazy.
Yeah. Be a massive Tesco.
Yeah.
Dude, can you turn off the sun?
Yeah, I know,
Ooh,
right?
That was just
Fucking-
really unlucky.
This is a remake of an old game, just adding bloom for no reason.
That sheriff is gonna hit you. Dude, a fucking average sheriff. They can't drive.
Type shit.
They're elected to the position, and then, look at, you fucking license plate says sheriff. They get elected to this position, and then all they do is drink and drive all day, and that's it.
Drinking and driving is fun, though.
Yeah, but it should be legal for me, too.
I like to drink Pepsi while I drive.
Really? Is that yummy?
Yeah, it's yummy. It's yummy.
Dude, Pepsi actually just is better than Coke. That's what's funny.
Rip.
You still hear a bunch of idiots insisting Coke is better.
There is data to prove that Pepsi's better, and people will still think Coke's better, bro. Like, shut up, man.
That's what advertising is. They won. Coke won.
No, literally, man. All they've been doing is falling off, and people insist. Okay, all right. See you later, man.
Dude, that was a tree.
Oh, the tree broke your fall. Don't worry, bro.
Okay.
What's going on here? Like, why are they all up each other's ass?
Because they don't have good road etiquette, and they're all slow as shit.
Yeah.
Like, on these kinds of roads, you just move over.
Man.
Like, the guy who was going slower should have just moved over.
I think they all should have slowed down.
No,
I think everyone should go
they,
slower.
No, fuck you. They should have sped up.
No, like, if everyone went slower, we'd have less accidents.
I don't care
die,
if everyone got in my way. I wouldn't get so fucking pissy.
I don't know, man. I'm just saying. I think you need to consider both sides, man.
Nope, I'm right. I want to go 120 in the road, dude.
Both sides are as bad as each other, bro. That's why I'm voting for the other one.
I just want to see your groceries, bro.
I work in 7 hours, so the last 2 hours go by really slow. Yeah.
German ass roads, bro.
Jesus Christ, it's icy. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna die.
Shit me? What?
Oh,
you just learned to swear today? Uh-oh.
Why are you driving into the river, dude?
Amazon out here delivering to fucking Frodo Baggins or some shit. What the fuck?
Oh, this is so bad. Oh no.
He's stuck. Yep, it's over.
Yeah, they're saying it's probably not. They're saying it. Ah! Fuck! Oh my god. I'm okay. I'm okay. My airbag just fell off.
Oh my god. Kind of sound like Peter.
Peter.
You're pulled out too far, dude. You're in the road.
Yeah, you might as well just already, like, commit. Like, oh, okay, and you're just assuming this guy should move out of the way. Fuck you, man. Are you uploading this for yourself?
You're actually...
Like, 'cause you're the fucking
idiot
here.
The asshole, dude. You're in, like, a big truck, and you're, like, not waiting your fucking turn. Fuck off.
Trying to, like, get in. Yeah, tell his ass.
Don't worry, it's all on camera.
She's so self-conscious. She has no idea what she's doing.
Fuck!
That's what you get for listening to Kanye, man. That's what happens. Not paying attention, man. Wonder where this is. Okay. Yep. Just had to turn. Just had to fucking turn.
Ooh. Damn, dude.
Oh, you made room for them. That's cool. Oh, wait, no, they're chasing you.
The cop did this, by the way. The city should pay for this. The cops did this.
They won't. They won't.
Where the fuck are those guys going, bro? Did someone get out and run away?
I
Like,
think so, yeah.
please kill that guy. He just fucked all those people's days up.
No, dude, it's the cops' fault, man.
I'm surprised they just let one police officer go after him.
The cops don't have to chase like this. All the kids in the school bus right there, traumatized for life, the police fault, okay?
Jesus Christ, what the hell's that?
Dude, I had to get one of those installed. Holy fuck, that's amazing. Uh-oh.
Los Santos.
The fuck just happened?
He got, like, hit in his rear tires and, like, tail whipped.
Ooh, pit and Uber.
This whole business of the gate and one death.
Couldn't really avoid it, to be honest.
Oh my god.
Dude, Imagine Dragons. Ooh.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, imagine if they made a good song.
I know, right?
You two could walk up to me in public and deadass say that you're the Imagine Dragons, and I believe it. I'd be like, yeah, that makes sense to me. What is up with this music, bro?
Yeah, what is this Imagine Dragons ass music playing, bro?
Search for your rest.
What is up with this text, bro? Why are they formatting it like a stop smoking commercial?
Fucking Reddit video, dude.
What the fuck
is this?
This is ancient. Oh my
What is
god.
Proud the
this
plow.
impact?
Okay.
Beefing from impatient driver.
Well, I mean, it looks like you could have gone. I think they might have been right to beef at you. Okay, they weren't right to do that.
Whoa! Fucking
Why is there
Margaret
a
Thatcher
witch?
in the driver's seat,
Yeah,
bro.
Margaret Thatcher, Minecraft witch in the fucking like driver's seat, bro. Why are you listening to the fucking what's his name?
Poop podcast.
Yeah, the Poo Podcast. Why are you listening to that?
Dude, why are truck drivers such fucking assholes? Like,
Because they're fucking dickheads.
Why
Like,
do you do
I'll
this?
say this much, right? Like, truck drivers, backbone of America. Why do they act like that, though?
No,
Relax.
I understand why they get so pissy, like, with, like, actually bad drivers. But, like, why are you just, like, cutting this guy off? Like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, this guy did nothing.
It's because they have power, bro. Like, when you're in a big vehicle, like, you're in a position of power that no one else in the road is at. Fuck me, bro!
Like,
Yeah,
that guy,
nothing matters what
that
you were
guy
just
in the big
fucking
pickup
talking
truck,
about. What
that
the
guy.
hell? Jesus.
Damn it, you fucking idiot.
Okay.
Yeah, dude, kill him.
God damn it, you fucking idiot.
That's pretty good, though.
That's actually, dodging something from, like, behind is impressive.
No. Dude, no. What is that?
Yeah,
That's
this is
dude,
yep.
it's
All right.
crazy to take a bike out in this fucking condition.
Oh
Holy
my
fuck.
god, dude.
Where the fuck is this? Is this like
This is
Sweden or some
The
shit?
Netherlands, maybe?
It does look like the European areas.
Did he say FBI?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Why are we playing a Family Guy song?
Wrong with you?
Imagine
This
dying
is like
to a
what
Family Guy
plays, bro.
song.
Yeah, this is what plays on, like, they show the house, you know? Okay.
Sometimes you gotta do that in really dense traffic.
Yeah. Yep.
Dude,
I should have
what the-
stopped, actually. That's a good idea.
Yeah, let's just stop. in the middle
Oh,
of
and
the
you
fucking
get
road.
got to. Oh. Something's gonna happen and I'm not gonna like it.
Dude, fucking, he threw, man. He threw. What the
he
fuck?
actually, okay, you both got taken
He
out.
threw.
Fucking idiot. Idiot.
It's about the fashion, though, man. It's about the style.
Yeah, no, this guy is actually kind of styling. Imagine, like, stopping really quickly, though, after driving, and it just flies off onto somebody else.
Yeah, like, I think I would do it on purpose to somebody I don't like.
Nah, it sounds fun, bro.
Dude, you were going way too fast in, like, a Honda or whatever. What the fuck?
Driver wants to join in. Fucking.
Yeah. What in the fuck is this Minecraft parody song?
Honestly, this sounds like what you hear on the fucking GTA 5 radio, man. Like,
Yeah.
Literally, bro.
That or it's like Alex Jones. All right, click Instagram now. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
We love Alex Jones. Yes, we love Alex Jones.
I don't know about that one, though. I don't know about that one, though.
Liberal.